In this video, I'll explain you how to use comping. Logic allows you to record multiple performances of a vocal or instrument solo. Then you can select the best parts from different performances and piece them together into a single take. This process is called comping and is achieved by using Quick Swipe comping feature. Let's activate cycling and record a few takes in a row.
You don't have the right to come inside my life. You don't have the right to come inside my life. You don't have the right to come inside my life.
You can repeat this process until you have enough takes, then listen back to them one at a time. As you do so, divide each take into sections to separate the beats you think are good enough. Color coding them can be helpful and also indicate the sections you don't have covered yet. The master track at the top reflects the sections you have chosen.
You don't have the right to come inside my life.
After creating a comp, it's a good idea to save it so that you can easily return to it at a later point. You can do so by duplicating the comp. You can try out new ideas or go back to your previous version anytime. Click triangle to collapse your takes. You can export active comp to a new track, or if you're ready to commit, use flatten and merge to print out your edit. And just like this, within a few minutes you can achieve the perfect take.